So apparently we are stopping on the way to buy tennis balls for Chica because we forgot to get toys for her. So on the way we are just finding a general store so that Chica gets to play with balls, and keeping her busy is going to help us. So obviously a tennis ball would help. चिकटू हे बघा, ओले बापले, ॲश वॉन्ट्स अ बॉल. Oh yes, yes, new balls, new balls. नंतर देणार आहे, नंतर देणार आहे, नंतर देणार आहे पिलू, नंतर देणार आहे. ॲशला पण खेळायचंय.
ॲशला 2 आणले ना.
ये
मी मुद्दाम 2 टेक्स्चर आणले.
ये ॲशला बॉल पाहिजे, ॲशला बॉल पाहिजे बने. बसा. विजू तू बाहेरच थांब, मी बघून घेते. हा, सो दिस इज आवर ग्लॅम. So this is our beautiful glam. They've decorated it so well. There's a mirror and lamp, and this is our bed. My goodness. Yes, Chitu, Ash. Manya.
ये सेपरेट वॉशरूम है, ये सेकंड वाला आपका वॉशरूम है.
ये वाला?
हाँ.
ओके.
ये कोई नहीं यूज करेगा, आप लोग इसे यूज करेंगे.
ओके. तो हर एक ग्लैम का सेपरेट वॉशरूम है?
नहीं, 6 ग्लैम के हिसाब से अभी तो सेपरेट हो जाएगी. अभी 3 है.
हाँ.
आज बुकिंग 2 है, तो आप लोगों के लिए सेपरेट है.
ओके, ग्रेट.
ठीक है, मेरे सेकंड वाला सीमेंट शीट है.
ओके.
5 वेज. हाँ,
एक वेजिटेरियन, एक नॉन
तो
वेजिटेरियन.
टोटल मेनू है रोटी, राइस, दाल, मिक्स वेज, पनीर, ड्राई चिकन, ग्रेवी चिकन, ग्रीन सलाद, गुलाब जामुन.
ओके.
और कितने बजे तक होते हैं?
9:30 से डिनर अरेंज करते हैं. आप लोगों को लास्ट 10:30 में आना है.
So these are all barbecue tables here, which is available on special request. And this is a common sit out area where we'll be served our evening snacks now. They also have a open air screening sometime here. They have special screenings and all, so you can enjoy that from here. Chica is enjoying the pineapple. Yay! Good puppy, good puppy. She loves fruits, while Ash here is waiting to have her chicken. Chimkin.
वाह मस्त आहे.
Are you getting more? So we've spread our bed sheet here because it was white linen, and since we are going to get the girls in, we are going to spread some linen of theirs. We've got these bed sheets from home, so we are just spreading it around, and we've spread this also so that we don't spoil their bed sheet. So as we always keep saying, be a responsible pet parent wherever you are traveling, because we need pet friendly places around, and we have to be responsible about not spoiling or not soiling their property. So let's get the girls in. So we've got our own dog food. Normally at the time of booking they ask whether we need dog food or not. I believe they would give some chicken rice or chicken bhakri, but we've got our own food, and that is for some extra charge. So you can ask or you can tell them at the time of booking if you need your dog food. So we are going to enjoy our dinner now.
Everyone's are sitting over here quietly. This one is looking here and there.
Good morning. This is the view we are getting from our glam, and we've heard there's some small trek upstairs. We can't go for a long trek because it's been raining and the road is quite slippery. So from the campus only. There's a small trek that we are heading to, and we've heard that the view from top is very beautiful. So we'll just go there, and there's another stream running through the campus too. So we are going to head there too right now, and then have our breakfast. So let's take you there. Ash, चला. चल. वाव. ठीक आहे. कुठे गेले? ॲश
त्याच्यावरच पाहिजे.
बघ ना.
ते लोक हेच पकडत होते रात्री सगळ्या गड्ड्यांमध्ये. आणि इकडे
व्ह्यू तर बघ.
शेण थापून ठेवलं. आधी दिसलाच नव्हता. घुसला तो आत.
ॲश तो डंक मारेल ना, मग प्रॉब्लेम होईल.
म्हणून बरं मारू दे. कळेल मग की खेळायचं नाही त्याला. घुसला तो आत. आता नाही सापडत तिला.
मस्त खोदत बसेल ना तो.
खोदेल ती.
Look at our bodyguards. चिका हे काय आहे? लुक वे चिका इज. अरे बाप रे. इकडनं तिने खाली उडी मारली. हा इकडनं खाली उडी मारली. चल ये वर. चिकटू का? इकडे 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 चल. वो बहुत स्विमिंग का एकदम पागल है वो. हे ऐश कम. तिकडे चल ना पुढे.
सांभाळून आहे.
तू मला हात दे. Hi friends, welcome to Chikesh Adventures. So today we've come to yet another beautiful pet friendly place. It's called Glamp Everest. So this is near Pauna. Pauna is about 1.5 hours drive from Pune and Mumbai both, or I think 2 hours approximate, because due to monsoons the roads have a rough patch in between. Um, but the place is so beautiful, so amazing, and you can hear the birds chirping. There are so many different types of birds here, and uh, the place is quite quiet. It's right opposite the Pauna lake. So girls had a nice swim before we came here. We took them for a swim so that they would get tired and not be very excited around the place here. So we took them for a swim. They ran a lot, and it's just 3-4 minutes walking distance from here actually. So the view is quite beautiful. The place is quite good, very well kept, very neat, and in COVID times they are maintaining hygiene. The staff always wears a mask, and they have said that they deeply sanitize the glamps also. We have gone camping before, so here's a photograph of that. But this is our first experience with glamping with the girls, and it was quite good. We have leashed the girls here near our glamp like this, and they are happily sitting because they are tired. And look at this black face girl, always has a black face when we come out. And this is the glam which we showed you yesterday. There are 6 glams in total, and they have 3 washrooms. So when all the glams are occupied, usually they say that in monsoon season they take bookings occasionally, but weekends it's always occupied, and a lot of crowd comes. So 2 glams share 1 washroom. But since we were the only guest yesterday, we had our own private washroom. The washrooms are very neat and clean, very well kept and tidy. And that's the common area there. And they have a small kitchen. They have a set menu, so you can't really ask for different things to eat. And because it's a weekday, we always travel on a weekday, there was not much crowd around, and only one other glamp was occupied. And the food again is quite simple, and they feed us a lot. It's unlimited, and but we thoroughly enjoyed the food. Girls have enjoyed it a lot. It's a true pet friendly place in a true sense, because they are allowed anywhere and everywhere. And you can go trekking. There's a small trek upstairs. There's a nice stream going in the campus, so there also you can take your dogs. It's a lovely, beautiful place. We had a nice stay. We would highly recommend coming here for a night or two. It's again like, it's totally worth it. So now today we are going to head to another place near Mulshi. So we'll take you there and then we'll show you around. Bye bye, and woof woof from Chikesh Adventures. And bye bye from Glamp Everest.